We are visiting Allie's Vegan Pizzeria and Cafe, a place where vegans and their non-vegan friends can all enjoy decadent comfort foods.
Things that you normally can't easily make vegan. I like seeing how they're doing it and how far we're coming along. It's very exciting.
Got the most decadent pizza with macaroni and cheese on it. So it's going to be a whole heck of a lot of flavors.
Our pizza that we're most well known for and we get the most order for is called the Hot Mess Pizza.
Okay.
It has ranch, our macaroni and cheese, fried chicken, red onions, hot sauce, more cheese.
Oh my gosh.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Definitely vegan comfort food.
Yeah. Ranch, mac and cheese, and chicken. Owner Tanya Gilmore is able to create these classics gone vegan by incorporating locally grown produce.
We're making everything. We know what's going into everything. We use the best ingredients that we can. I think it makes a big difference for the environment as well. You're not shipping over long distances. My farmer, actually, she's going to be here tomorrow with a big load of veggies for me. She's 5 minutes away.
So what are we going to make today?
We're going to make pizza, and we're going to make vegan pizza. We're going to put Washington-grown apples on it.
So tell me what we're going to do. We have some great Washington apples. These are Granny Smith's?
These are Washington-grown Granny Smith apples. We're going to make a savory apple pizza.
Yum. Okay,
Yeah.
This is obviously all vegan.
Everything is 100% vegan.
It's going to be good. So
All
what
right.
should we do first?
Well, I'll tell you what, shall we start with the apples?
Sure. We chop our apples and top them with fresh rosemary and lemon juice. Then Tanya chops some onions, and we chat about her inspiration to create a vegan pizza menu.
The food can be very compelling and tasty.
Oh, yeah.
And I thought it's not just all, pea sprouts and tofu. I mean, there's actually things that can taste really good,
Yeah.
taste like comfort food.
Yeah.
Everybody likes pizza.
Everyone
We
likes
had
pizza.
the cheeses. It's the top selling food in the United States.
So now is this particular pizza on your menu, or will it be eventually?
We developed this in order to incorporate the apples, and after we tasted, we thought this has got to go on the menu.
Yeah,
it's really good. Yep.
Next, we caramelize our onions. Then Tanya adds in our apples and sprinkles of salt and sugar. While our apples and onions saute on the stove, we start to prep our pizza dough.
One thing that differentiates our dough, I think, from some pizza places is we use our natural starter, and we ferment this dough for upwards of 48 hours before we use it. And what that does, it gives it a nicer texture and amazing flavor.
Awesome.
So we're going to flour it up pretty well.
How many of these do you make a day, usually?
We go through 250 pounds of flour a week.
Wow.
And that doesn't count our gluten-free flours for our gluten-free dough.
Sure.
And I'm not going to spin this out into dough. What we're going to be making today is a flatbread, so I'm going to be stretching it out by
Okay.
hand into a rectangle shape.
Now, you can't have pizza without cheese, so how does Tanya do it?
This is a vegan cheese, so it's dairy-free. And the base of our cheese is cashews. And in this case, it's a smoked cheese, so we actually smoke the cashews with mesquite and applewood first.
Yeah.
And then we make our cheese from it.
Now it's time to add some toppings.
So we're not going to put any kind of sauce on it because we're going to let the toppings kind of shine through. So we're just going to put a little bit of oil on top.
After drizzling on some oil, we add our sautéed apples and onions. To top it off, I grate some of Tanya's smoked vegan cheese. Finally, it's time to send our flatbread to the oven. After about 10 minutes of baking, we have our very own Allie's Vegan Pizza. We top it off with candied walnuts, nutmeg, and parsley. And how gorgeous that is!
And there it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we get to try it?
Now we can try it.
Okay.
Taste that apple coming through.
Yeah. The apples are super tangy. It's not like I'm tasting, it's sweet apple.
Right,
It's like
right.
a tangy, savory flavor to it.
Yeah.
It's so delicious. What a nice take on pizza. Completely vegan.
100% vegan.
Awesome. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. To get Allie's Vegan Pizzeria's recipe for apple flatbread, head over to wagrown.com.